What's this?
Triangle.
What's this?
Oval.
What is it?
Oval.
Oval. What's this?
Octagon.
An octagon? What word goes in here?
S-T-O-P.
What does that say?
Octagon.
Octagon. Can you write the letters in there? Oh. What's that?
Cat.
Yeah, that's cat. Can you write stop?
Stop.
Can you write stop?
S.
What comes next? Stop.
T.
Comes next. Uh-huh. What comes last? Yeah. What does that say?